Yes, fire it, that window!
One, do the same. Move down the ridge and around, use the fog, and go around over.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to part 4 of the Warzone Op Sledgehammer series. Now it's gone into the Sunday morning, and we've all rallied together, Wolf 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're moving out on a rear flanking mission to basically push the KLA forces right out the village. We're using the cover of the mist and the fog in the morning time to get into position.
Right down the ridge, guys. Right down the ridge. Over.
The plan is to move in as 4 sections. Wolf 1 has been designated to take building 18. This is a key building for this assault because it's a medic bay. Essentially, if we get this, we then flip the spawns and the KLA need to respawn at the other end of the town, meaning we'll have a stronger foothold to continue our assault.
Roger that. Make sure you take out from the rear as well, due to the fact that the front of those buildings are highly fortified, so you could get caught in a crossfire.
Is it clear, yeah?
That will do. Thank you.
Chris, clear?
Yeah. Come on, Wolf 4. Wolf 4 is going to push forward.
Wolf 1 quickly secures the medic bay. The KLA have now got a regen at the other end of the town. We now push on to take building 6.
Roger that. Command.
Tom, we're going to just push up, mate, yeah? Go through the tunnels.
Right, I'm on you.
Yeah.
Got it.
Lads, start putting fire down! Overtake! Let's go!
Guys, start leapfrogging, come on!
Guys! Don't push up too much, Watch the barn on your right.
Wolf 3 and Wolf 2.
Dan, on me now, on me.
Roger that. Where's Wolf 2?
Dan, ready?
We're just going to get to the fence line if we can.
Dan, push in. Can you see that window I'm shooting?
That window there.
Yeah. 12 o'clock, yeah.
Clear from there.
Listen, right, when I shoot, run in, yeah, ready?
They're on 6 and I'm not sure.
No. Dan, keep your pincher. Dan, crossing.
I've got 4-10 enemy in building to my...
Friendlies in here, there's friendlies in here. Matt!
Rest of my squad push forward.
We could, that window, we're getting shot from this building. Don't, hey.
Wolf 4 going to try and get
Yeah,
you.
bottom floor.
Yeah, right behind you,
Hey, he's bottom left window.
Wolf 1, how are you getting on building 66? Can you push forward from that area? Over.
Negative, we're currently level with the rest of the squads and we're pinned down from 2 buildings, one either side of the alleyway over, and it's too much open ground, so we're trying to pick them off. He probably didn't get any of that. Yeah, I don't know. Kelly, see if you can shoot him.
We've managed to secure quite a lot of buildings real quick because we've met virtually no KLA resistance. For some reason, half my squad has decided to push out and try and take the next building, which is full of enemy players, resulting in them dead behind the tank, and now we have to provide a rescue mission to get them back in game.
Tom! That bottom left door, mate! That bottom left door!
Come on.
For a back door.
Yeah! Well, we've fucking got half of the squad down at the minute.
We're low in building 11. 14, sorry.
14.
Yeah.
Wolf 4, is it possible you've got a law that can go through the window of 14, over?
Wolf 1, that is a negative. I've already spent all law rounds on other buildings, taking them.
Roger that, mate, roger that, over.
Relax.
Can I get Can I get there?
You can't. Wait there, just wait there, there's a guy there.
Oh, we've got to have it there, sweet.
He's gone up, he's gone up, he's gone up.
Push up with FLeZ.
Right there. Go, go! Hit! Hit!
DDIV?
Yeah, but he's in that window. No, get me in, get me in, get me in.
As you can see there, another guy managed to make it to our team and start medicing a few guys in. I take cover behind a tank and get took out while I'm providing cover and fire for Tom to get in the building. He manages to get in and start breaching.
Right there, right there. Don't worry about them, get in there and get the IVs out.
Okay.
Anyone can grab them, yeah?
Yep.
Dan, fucking nail him. Nail him. Nail him, yeah? Dan, you shooting, yeah?
Okay, so a quick progress update. Wolf 3 and 2 are on the left hand side in green. They've managed to take 12, 17 and 21, but they're currently held up trying to take 24 and 5. In blue, Wolf 1 have managed to take the med centre, building 16 and are currently held up in building 14. In pink, Wolf 4 have managed to take 8, 11B, 11 and 23 and they're currently trying to push out to them two buildings and round the barn.
See this red shade?
Yeah. Well, top floor, see him? Yeah, he's gone, he's gone.
Come here.
Yeah.
Hey, you lads, use the tank. This side, down. See there's an alleyway there.
Yeah.
Get hit on the alleyway.
Yeah.
Is everybody medic him?
Dan.
Get on the floor and medic him.
Dan, get down.
Yeah? And then you need to push through the alley and take these buildings.
Is he shooting us? Friendly!
Friendly fire!
Fucking hell.
Yeah, I'm just on the ground.
That building! Green! That building!
That building!
Fucking hell.
Right, get your team out here now, yeah? Get down and do that job.
Wolf 1!
Let everyone know this floor's secure.
Wolf 1!
No, I can't.
No, they're not leaving out, mate. Come and get on the right side.
I've got him.
He's hit. Good fucking shot.
Is he hit? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Right, he's down in the. It's this right window. Right, go. All on Dan, yeah. Put fire in, Matt. Put fire in. Matt, get ready to move, yeah.
Nice target, top floor. Top.
Seen.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. You gotta move quick, you can't.
Stay close to the fence, yeah. Lads, don't even go in the alleyway. Drop into that way.
Got green on.
There's a 10 player in that window there.
Where we pull into it, FLeZ?
I don't even know where they've gone. He's dead.
17's hostile.
Roger.
Firing down on 24 and 21. You need to clear 24 and 21. I understand that 17 is the bottom road. Over.
Yo, FLeZ.
Hey, what's that building number there?
Yes. See these fellas?
Yeah.
Which one?
Hey, what's that building number? There's 3-story.
That's the pub, I think, is it? No.
I think it is.
Me and Tom have now managed to make it into building 12 where the rest of the squad are already in building 21. It's impossible for us to go outside and link up with them because the amount of fire that's receiving by the alleyway. Tom manages to find a tunnel that links the two buildings together, so we decide to crawl through it.
Alright.
Ah, for fuck's sake.
Want me to go?
What's that? Sling that. Matt! We're coming through the tunnel!
Okay.
Fuck me, I'm too wide.
What's the position over?
Oh my god, he's miles away!
All four sides.
You made that decision. Yeah, you can live with
Four, Charlie.
It's friendly. Look at how much pyro I brought out. Fuck me. Fuck me. That was hard craft, that were it.
All four, permission to go and exchange weapon as mine's now in 2 bits.
Second floor, yeah? Dan, get us in.
Hey!
Give that rifle, give me that rifle.
After crawling through the tunnel and linking back with our squad, we push out and take the bottom floor of building 24. The enemy is still on the top floor though.
I need a fucking Allen key.
Does anyone have an Allen key?
Tom, put that in, mate.
Pop it upstairs.
Yeah. Now. Hey, let him put that in, let him put that in.
Right side.
Go! 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 Left side, put your head. Matt, is that clear? The back room. Fucking hell. That's you dead, Matt.
Yeah.
It went off right by there.
Almost hit him.
Guys, you dead? Guys, are you dead? Cover that, fucking cover there, mate.
All call signs we need to reform.
Okay, move out the way, guys. I'll do
Dan.
Take 2.
Where you can see me turn away there is because I lobbed me TRMR impact grenade, but just as I lobbed it, the guy came round the corner and actually hit him on the leg and didn't go off. Just a bit unlucky there.
Grenade! Hit!
Now it is.
Oh, fucking hell. Nice one, mate. Sorry about that. Did that TRMR hit you in the leg?
Yeah, I did.
Sorry about that, mate.
I've still got pyro!
Okay, so just after this clip, my SD card managed to fill up, but what happened was we get medic back in and half the squad push out to go and take other buildings. The building then gets surrounded and there's only me, Chris and Kelly from Wolf 1 and then Ben from Delta Renegades, Wolf 4 with his 30 cal are the last people alive in this building and we're just gonna try and hold out.
Run, bitches! Go just shit himself fine and run it all night!
So as you can hear there, Ben's absolutely putting loads of fire down and actually taking out quite a lot of guys at the rear of the building.
Hey! There's a guy at the rear of 5!
Hostile force behind building 5. Reaper, go take him out.
One player. Building 5! Building 5! Hit! Hit! Oh, fucking hell.
As you can see there, the guy managed to come in the back of the building through the ground floor and managed to take me and Chris out. What he doesn't know is Ben's still outside the building on the other side, and he comes back in and medics me. So while the guy goes upstairs to kill Kelly, me and Ben are waiting for him.
Shit, missed by it. There's a hand we got. Where's the hand? I'll take that.
Back in, mate, yeah.
Oh, never mind. Right, never mind for you, so that's fucking You've got a lot of knives. You're gonna love it. Yeah? Try a knife cut.
Mag, hey. Outside that door. Pop out that window, left hand side, yeah?
You're alright, your rounds just rolled out. See? Told you.
Fuck. It's catching out.
All four down.
Pistol, man. Fucking hell, you come through that window fast. Yeah. That guy's back in, by the way, in 5. Oh, fuck! Dead man, mate. I was just about to put that out the window. Dead man, mate, dead man.
Well played, boys.
Pistol. Got the mag.
Well then, that's where the Sledgehammer series is going to end. Unfortunately, I didn't get that frag out the window to take that squad out. Shortly after Index was called. Big shout to the Warzone team. I know it was only the second Milsim they put on, but what a weekend. I really enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to attending more ops. Big shout to everyone that was in Wolf 1. You made my weekend so much easier, especially you lads and lads that were attached to me. You know, the people that I didn't know, you made it, my job as a commander, so much easy. You listened to everything I said, and you did everything I said, and I couldn't have asked for more from yous. We absolutely smashed some buildings together and took loads of ground, so well done for that. As always, I'd like to say a big shout to the enemy as well, the KLA. You know, there was some big name teams on there, and you gave us some awesome contacts. Previous Milsims you would have seen them, Diablo and Cobalt, always good fighters, and I don't really want to fight them again. I like playing alongside them more than I do fighting. Well, that's probably going to be the last Milsim for 2015. I hope you enjoyed this year's Milsim series. Obviously, they're going to improve, and I'm going to be attending a lot more in 2016, so stay tuned for the channel for them if you're really enjoying them. Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to leave a like, because it really does mean a lot to me, and as always, I do try and get back to you. Well, as always, guys, I'll leave you with this end clip, and I'll see you in the next video.
5.